Welcome back to Rider Fusion, your go-to spot for everything two wheels and thrilling. Today, we're diving into one of the most talked about power cruisers of the year, the 2025 Ducati XDiavel V4. It's bold, it's brutal, and it's born to dominate the road with that unmistakable Ducati DNA. Let's break down what makes this beast a serious head-turner. Design and presence. The 2025 XDiavel V4 blends aggressive cruiser style with sport bike muscle. It keeps the low-slung stance and long wheelbase that define the XDiavel, but Ducati has taken it even further: sharper lines, muscular curves, and an even more futuristic LED lighting signature. It looks like it's moving, even when parked. V4 power upgrade. The biggest change? That monstrous 1,158 cubic centimeters Gran Turismo V4 engine. This is the same heart that powers Ducati's Multistrada, now tuned for torque-heavy cruising. Expect over 168 horsepower and a wild yet smooth ride thanks to Ducati's latest electronic wizardry. It's refined chaos in motion. Tech and electronics. Ducati packed this cruiser with top-tier tech: ride-by-wire throttle, cornering ABS, multiple ride modes, traction control, cruise control, and even a full-color TFT display. It's a cruiser that thinks like a superbike, with all the comfort and confidence you'd want on long hauls. Comfort meets performance. Despite its aggressive look, the 2025 XDiavel V4 is all about rider comfort. With mid-forward foot pegs, a wide saddle, and optional backrest, it's cruiser-friendly. But lean into a corner, and you'll feel just how much Ducati DNA lives under that sculpted tank. Final thoughts. The 2025 Ducati XDiavel V4 isn't just a cruiser, it's a category-bending machine. It blends power, presence, and precision like nothing else out there. Whether you're into laid-back rides or adrenaline hits, this bike delivers both in brutal elegance. If you like this breakdown, hit that subscribe button for more on the latest motorcycles, only on Rider Fusion. Ride safe, ride smart, and we'll catch you in the next one.